So we just checked into our Airbnb. What a cute pair of hosts.
Oh my god. So we had to park Mabel, Joe had to park Mabel. So I went in with our bags, which I'm very glad we packed. And Joe went off with the gentleman. They can't speak English, which is fine. And honestly, she's the cutest thing. She like opened up everything and showed me where everything is. So got milk in here, all the different coffees. Oh, honestly, she was just really cute. Like all of this is like...
Look at our display board for everything you need to know about Naples.
Metro, you've got shopping when they shut, Wi-Fi. Honestly.
It's a well-deserved 9.9 on booking.com.
Bless them.
And this is... So we were looking at... Hang on, should I spin it around and ask? Do you like my new haircut? Put it back up out of the way. So we were looking at parking in Naples for motorhomes and stuff. Most places aren't open. A couple are open, but none of the facilities are there. So you're paying 20 to 30 euros a night with no shower, no sort of washing up facilities, anything like that. But here it's 30 euros a night for an Airbnb, and they said we could park the van for free in like a secure area. It's crazy.
We easily could have found parking, I'm sure, but sometimes it's just not worth it. Like there's been lots of places, you know, throughout our travels when we've been in our van that we could have easily found parking on the street, but equally, is it really worth the like hassle of like worrying about it all day? And then if like they break a window, say even if they don't get anything, the cost of that, because you're not going to end up using your insurance for that, like it's just not worth it really.
Danny's just rushed outside. Our own lemon tree.
Tree.
Oh, I wonder where it is. Find it.
Ugh. I think that might have been powder. Oh my god, it's a lemon tree.
I'll leave that down. No.
What?
I'm gonna break it. No. No. Wow, I feel better. First shower since New Year's Eve. What was it? 18th?
We do wash.
We do wash, but first shower.
Never underestimate
The power of a warm shower. We are... What time is it? No, I don't know. Not quite 6. We're going out. We're not going to get a proper pizza. So we're not going to get pizza frita, deep fried pizza. Really fancy it. You fancy it?
Yeah, we haven't like got a full length meal obviously in the van, so I can't remember last time I saw myself full length. We've definitely gained weight. I don't know how people live in
Carbs.
Italy and
so many carbs, so much pasta.
I just got 2 fried pizzas. We said which ones they suggested. I think it's just got mozzarella and tomato. Look how big it is. Massive.
$3.50.
Wow.
Tell me the verdict and I can eat mine. Should we check back in M5 because I'm starving?
Yeah.
We're off to a cracking start in Naples. Wow.
I've never ate anything quite like this. It's so hot, like that's the only downfall. I think you can't eat it fast enough.
Right, it's starting to rain anyway, so we'll probably catch you back at the Airbnb. Back out the rain, and then we're going to do some research on Naples. I don't really know that much about it, apart from being the home place of pizza, margherita, and home place of pizza marinara, and pizza frita. If you want pizza, come here. But that's like really...
It's so cute though. We paid 30 euros for this Airbnb, and I've got...
It's got this lovely little outside area. Nice.
And we've got blankets.
Nice spot the local wine and some pastries, and we do some research for the rest of the evening. Night. Slept very well.
Yeah, you're really bumpy.
She's alright. Today we're going to take you on a little pizza tour.
DIY pizza tour.
really famous coffee house or
Bloody
cafe.
shut, innit?
Shut. It's really expensive though, so
Yeah.
that's a winner. We tried anyway.
Oh. So we have just come to eat our first Nepalese Neapolitan pizza, and we've come to Danni Joe. We've got a lot to eat. Yeah, this was in the movie.
I'm in love. I'm having a relationship with my pizza. You look like you're breaking up with the pizza. What's the matter?
And we're going to share pizza because we want to eat quite a few today. Look at these pizzas, they look amazing. This is one of the only places that use soybean oil rather than olive oil because they think it's tasteless, so it doesn't take away from the flavour. It looks incredible.
Really nice pizza.
Good start.
Can't do the Neapolitan fold. Pizza Tutino, round 2.
I think I've got another margarita.
Mabel.
Cold pizza Tuesday.
And keep going.
I got food in the fridge.
This really isn't a city for nice new cars. Oh, and that one. What's about that one? Oh, and that one.
Battered.
That one, yeah. Oh, that one, yeah.
Look at them.
Cinquecento's a bit worse for wear. And up and the
You
back.
just couldn't have a nice car here, could you?
Bang, bang, bang. Everyone. Bang, bang.
Cold pizza Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is.
This is very cute. Cocktail bar is also a
Library, yeah. Book selling.
Library isn't the right word.
Bookshop.
Bookshop. And they do cocktails. I've got an apple spritz and you've got a
Negroni.
Negroni. Looks strong.
Pass some time, what's it bring?
I like it how it is. My shoestrings untied. I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs.
We've spent a couple of hours off the dough.
Only because Joe's like wanting pizza all the time and he actually
They're
can't
really
eat any
filling.
of it.
They're really filling. We're going to go to the first pizzeria in the world. It's not got that good reviews, but I feel like we've got to take it off the box anyway. Take it off the box. Take it off the listing.
What did you say?
Had 2 pints in it.
38.
Yeah.
1730.
Well, pizza since 1830 though. That's when the building was there.
Pizza of the day, boys. We have ordered margarita, as we have worked throughout the day. It looks amazing. We've actually cut it into 4, so that makes it easier for us. Joe. First pizzeria in the world, cannot complain. €7.50, which is my favourite, but still really good. Go away.
I think we're gonna have a.
Just put it down!
I'm trying to watch the football. It's a bit busy, but day 3. Day 3 Naples. Come to Cafe Mexico.
Oh, they're warm. Your eyes look very pretty and blue.
Thank you. Time for our first pizza on Pizza Alley, and we're going to probably the best, or the most famous at least, Gino and Toto Sorbillo, the original Sorbillo. We've been to his fried pizza place, but this is the original. He's got 9 restaurants, I think, across the world.
This pizza was €4, which is insane. We thought we'd get another one, so we got a Diablo, which is a bit cheeky, but...
Really thin.
Nice. Best yet. Oh, let's give it a go. We have come to a tram that goes uphill.
Funicular line.
Funicular line.
10 out of 10. Good fun.
Good fun.
Cheers, drive.
So we have come to tandem ragu. It's not like the traditional ragu that you get in Bologna. It's like their own take on it. It's like slow cooked for like 8 hours minimum, and it smells really good. And Joe's got one with like potato or something.
Final half a day in Naples. That's such a good time, though.
It's been amazing.
Wicked.
We'd love to come back. We're gonna go explore, or we're gonna go have one more pizza, and then we're gonna go drive around the Amalfi Coast. We're obviously not gonna be able to do it properly, and we want to save it for when it's sunny.
Yeah.
And
just want to have a look whilst we're.
Yeah.
But our hosts have let us leave our stuff. They said pretty much check out whenever. Which
is lovely. And yeah, so we're all packed up. Gonna go get a pizza, and then let's go. We're just coming from the rain. This is cafe. We've had these before. Can't remember the name. I think they've got the same filling, and they're from Campania.
Danny got a stern look from the barista because she went to eat a cake first. But there's an order.
He was nice, but before, like, they give you water. Sometimes it's fizzy water because it cleanses your palate, and then you drink your coffee. Whereas we were drinking the coffee and then having the water. But I read online that's not right. And then I started eating this, and then he was trying to talk to me. I couldn't understand what he was saying, but I think he was saying like, "Oh, do you want to eat them first before your coffee?" But there's an order.
I want you to use your imagination. The year is 1889. I'm Queen Margherita of Italy, and behind me is my palace. Just around the corner is Pizzeria Brandi, where the most iconic pizza in the world is about to be created, just for me to represent the colours of the Italian flag. Yeah. It's like quite a touristy place, actually really pleasantly surprised. As good as any others we've eaten. Easy.
Crust is a lot bigger, but it's like really nice dough, isn't it?